Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Quick video for an invite. I'm inviting you to my free webinar tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I want you to go to the link below, which I'll provide in the comments. There's a registration link. It's absolutely free. No credit card's going to be asked of you. And then we can go over a bunch of charts and see what's happening now. We know Trump speaking tonight could create some insane volatility. So we'll go over the charts live in the webinar tomorrow. But you've got to register and click the link below. If you can't actually make it during my hour presentation at 3 p.m. Eastern on Thursday, if you register, you'll receive a video copy. So make sure all registrants will receive their copies, whether you can see it or not. Make sure you register anyway. I hope you will be there live because I like to share very current information. Free webinar, make sure you're there. Click the link below the YouTube video, which I'm going to put out right after I get done filming. If you're watching this on pump.fun, you'll have to go to the YouTube video to find that link because pump.fun doesn't allow me to post links, so I can't post that video here. So make sure you fill out that link, traders from pump.fun, my OMNIAC's there. Go to my YouTube channel, click the registration link. I'll see all of you tomorrow at 3 p.m. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you register. Remember, stop SAR, in. Emotions are out. That is true, Omniacs. Keep your emotions out. Put your stops in. And I will see you at the live webinar on Thursday, 12/18/2025. Remember, the link will be below the YouTube video in the comments.